Topic 2. About 400 years before Shivaji Maharaj, Maharashtra was not free. A large portion of it was under the rule of Nizam Shah of Ahmednagar and the Adil Shah of Bijapur. These two sultans had divided Maharashtra among themselves. They were not liberal in their outlook.
They oppressed the people
Over whom they ruled. They were also sworn enemies of each other, due to which they constantly fought against each other, resulting the people left, suffered and harassed. The people could not get enough to eat, nor could they celebrate their festivals or worship their gods openly and freely. They were not sure of safety even in their own homes. There was injustice everywhere. In Maharashtra, there were many Watandars like Deshmukhs and Deshpandes who owned and loved only their jagirs but not their countries. The constant fighting among them brought great misery to the people. There was misruled everywhere.
People were tired of this oppression.
And were very unhappy.
Then came the reign of Shivaji Maharaj,
Who established Swaraj in Maharashtra. Swaraj means self-government, our own rule. Topic 3. Shivaji Maharaj first brought to book the Watandars who fought among themselves. He then used them in his plan to establish Swaraj. He fought against the powers that oppressed the people and defeated them. He established Hindavi Swaraj based on justice, fair play and equal treatment to people of all castes and religions. Shivaji Maharaj made no distinction between Hindus and Muslims. He honored the saints of all religions. We draw inspiration from these noble deeds of Maharaj.